how to manually change the time zone on the Samsung Galaxy S26, 26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, tap on Date and Time. Now from here, make sure you tap on the Automatic Time Zone toggle button to switch it off so that you can manually change the time zone. Now tap on Select Time Zone. Then select your region, so you need to select your region first. And then from the list here, select your time zone. And that's it. Now tap on the back key, and that is how you can manually change the time zone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.